All right, with the holidays fast coming, well, it's not holiday, Halloween, but it's what should be because it is one of my favorite pastimes that I like. So this thing comes with magnets, some bungee cords, instructions, and then the whole entire thing. We're gonna set it up in our garage here. We're gonna close it out. It is magnetic, so it shouldn't have an issue connecting to it. So we're gonna test it out and see how it looks and before it gets dark. Alright, so for Halloween, we're setting up this for our garage. Check it out. So this is going to be right in the entrance where people are coming in and out. I'm still going to tie it up some more. I think I'm going to put one more tie right here so it could be higher, a little bit higher. And pretty much this is how it's going to be, entire thing, alright? And I'm able to open my garage, but look at the design. I'm going to show you the design from a little distance if you guys can see that. It's just the skeleton coming out. So if you have a garage, look at the background. It is actually a garage too. So looks like he's coming out of the garage open. So that's crazy. So I still need to set it up properly. I haven't finished it, but I just want you to see it before it gets dark. And we're ready for Halloween. If you haven't decorated, you better start now. So start decorating. This is huge. I'm gonna show you how big it is compared to me. This thing is entirely large for a garage, so it's perfect for those that are going to look for designing, or maybe you have a competition in your neighborhood, you want to win. This is probably it. So hope you guys enjoy this video.